Come ride the magical, incredible, fantastical. Come ride the very airy library.
Welcome to the Very Airy Library.
Wow, it's awesome.
And it flies?
Each week,
Hey,
there's a
Mr.
new
Sam.
journey from a permanent author.
What is this place?
A few friends
Your
with us,
stand?
we about to travel on before.
Welcome, tiny human.
Ride the magical, incredible, fantastical. Come ride the very airy library.
I think we're ready to go.
Okay, that's the last of Daknee's Power Hour fruit smoothie bottles.
Fare thee well, old friends, but Daknee's entrepreneurial spirit shall not be deterred.
Maybe next time start with a flavor everyone might enjoy, not just you.
Well, I do suppose it was a market miscalculation. I just really thought everybody loved the nuanced flavor of sewage socks and strawberries.
Good work, Philo. Where'd you dump them?
Oh, just threw it in the ocean.
Oh, good. You did what? Philo, you just can't dump garbage into the ocean?
Well, why not? The ocean is huge, Stan. And anyways, Jaws probably come along and eat. Do eat boats.
Change of plans, everybody.
We're not going to Sculpted Shenanigans, the Comedy Wax Museum? I was really looking forward to some laughs.
Cody, will you please pull up the book Island Girls Free the Sea of Plastic?
Roger that. Pulling it up now.
We're gonna pay a visit to someone that will explain to you why you shouldn't dump your garbage into the ocean. Hey Blair, did you just moonwalk in here?
That's how you have to walk in fins.
Oh, I didn't know that.
I have to admit, I never thought you'd be visiting me out here.
Well, the library can fly anywhere, and I thought this was too important to wait.
What can I do to help?
Well, I was hoping you could tell us a little bit about your book. Moonwalking again, yeah. And educate the store explorers and our crew on the dangers of plastics in the ocean.
Well, actually, Stan, I was a scuba diving instructor and simply saw too much plastic in the ocean. And I felt like I had to do something about it. So I ended up writing this book, Island Girls, Free the Sea of Plastic, that was actually inspired by a real story that happened with me and my children.
Oh.
So turtles think that plastic bags floating upside down underwater look exactly like jellyfish, their favorite, tastiest treat. I felt like I had to do something to raise awareness about what plastic bags look like underwater, because not everybody can tell.
So what are some things that we all can do to help?
Awesome question. I get a lot of that from the kids in schools that I visit too. So one of the first things that we can all do to reduce plastic use in our homes is to use reusable bags when we go to the grocery store. Another thing that we can do is when we like to go visit the beach, it's really important to use reef-safe sunscreen. It adds actually a lot of nutrients into the water and is very harmful to our reefs. So if we can all use reef-safe sunscreen, that would be very helpful as well. The third thing that you guys can do, that actually the Island Girls do in the book, is write letters and postcards to your state legislators to ask them to ban single-use plastic bags in your state. The Island Girls do that right here in the book, and they illustrate just exactly how much plastic bags and jellyfish look alike underwater.
Wow.
I actually have an idea. It was really windy last night, just like in the book, and I do think that some trash blew into a cave. Why don't you guys all come with me, and we can do an ocean cleanup together?
That sounds like a great idea.
Oh yes, Cody, let's get our snorkels.
Might be best if we avoid the water.
I got this, guys. I need to make up for tossing the garbage so carelessly into the ocean.
All right, fellow story explorers, that's it for today. Remember to always be kind and never judge a book
Or a person
by their cover. See you next time, friends. Hey, Blair, do you have an extra pair of goggles I can borrow?
Stand their masks.
Oops. This episode features the book Island Girls, Free the Sea of Plastic.
I hope you'll consider picking up this insightful book for your next read.